Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about the TA lamps, the LED TA lamps. As you know, for the last 30 years, there were millions, hundreds of millions of TA lamps being sold into the market, and sold into the market has been using for many applications. For example, if you look at all the indoor application, all the office buildings, you can see TA tubes all over the places. So today, we believe this is a huge business opportunity for all of us all together. Just a simple replacement. All you have to do is take the fluorescent TA tubes off and put this LED TA tubes back in. That's it. It's that easy. Just plug in. That's it. It will light up. It will save you tremendous amount of energy. At the meantime, give you very high quality of the LED tubes. High quality. So today, I want to walk you through. I'm going to walk you through from beginning to the end how this TA lamps are being put together. So give you a full knowledge how you are going to use it, how you are going to benefit. So let's do something a little bit fun. This is the tube. As you see right now, this tube is perfect. Then let's see what's going to happen now. Let me cover. Then something goes to happen. Boom, 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 boom. Let's open up to see what happens of this tube. Holy moly, look at what a mess I made here. Look at it right here. This is what's inside. So the first thing you may recognize is the chip inside. Okay, we have those yellow things is in the chip. Okay, as you know guys, we today TCP package our own LED chips for all different type of the usage. We able to do the color from 1800 to 6500K, total 9 different colors. We able to do from 110 lumens per watt all the way to 190 lumens per watt. As you see on the video, you can see step by step how, first of all, we are going to put all the LED together. That's step number 1. For doing that, we have a total control of the quality. We have a total control of our cost, which you are going to benefit. Then we have a total control of the timing, which means this is within TCP's manufacturing organization. That means whatever you need, whatever the color you need, whatever the lumen pack you need, we're able to deliver you on a timely basis. So that being said, guys, this is the step number 1 of a TCP benefit. After we finish the LED chips to the performance of the LED tubes, what you desire, any colors, any lumen packages, the next things we have to do is we have put these TA tubes together. Okay? So let's start with this perfect one. Then let me look at this guy, which is total mess as being made. So you can see here, I have all the LED lined up inside. So what we do is we're using aluminate. It's inside. It's called a PC board. It's a soft ones. And we put LEDs on it, as you can see on the video. And afterwards, we have to magically, as you see on the video, slide that piece of the LED strip into this tube. This is pretty cool. Think about it. Okay, you can see on the video, just slide all the one side to the other side, all the way in, and being secured perfectly. After that, as you see here, is we have to put 2 ends on it. Okay, which is 2 ends. However, only LED you cannot light up, so you need a driver. So as you can see here, I have a driver right here. This is the driver to drive up the LED. As you can see here, the driver is such a little electronic piece here, but does a wonderful job. The job is make sure turn into the power it gets into the LED to light up perfectly. I hope you really enjoyed those videos because this is a TCP factory. This is a TCP line. This is how we're able to assure you get the best TA tubes today with the best performance, with the best cost, Why? Because you benefit from us. TCP today is the only factory, very few companies, I shouldn't say only one, very few companies is vertically integrated, as you can see. Headquartered in Cleveland, Ohio, and we here just like a miniature full body of the lighting company here. We have a design, we have a marketing, everything. In the meantime, we have 6 locations in China. 6 locations. One is making the LED chips. One only make a T8 tubes, as you can see in the video. We make sure our people in China control the total manufacturing process and the total quality control. So every T8 tubes leaving our factory and serve you in a perfect shape. With that on our mind, let me share with you how we want to accomplish so-called a perfect LED tubes. What is a perfect LED tubes? Basically as the following things. Number one, as we're talking about, the lumen package. Because today, everybody has a different lumen package for different specific applications. 110 lumens per watt, 140 lumens per watt, and 190 lumens per watt. That's number one. Number two, as we talk about, as you see on the video, is LED chips. We gave you any colors. For instance, for the T8 tubes today, we believe 4 colors is available. 3000K, 3500K, 4000K, 5000K, or even 6500K. We have all those things available. The next thing we're talking about is this electronic drivers here. We want to make sure this electronic driver able to fit into the majority of the fixture out there, able to fit into light up with the majority of the fluorescent electronic driver over there. We have to design this driver to as a maximum what we call comparability is possible. Obviously, the last thing we have to make sure is safety. Okay, we want to make sure this tube is perfectly safe, able to take all the abnormal situations, still function as a perfect lamp, which means we have a safety device in the tube. Now you know every little detail how the LED T8 tube is being made. From beginning LED chips all the way to as a finished tube today in my hand. Now let's talk about how many different types of the T8 tubes available to the market today. First one we call plug and play. That means we call the T8 type A. The type A today, the majority of the type A, which is what we call plug and play, which is TCP called direct TA, and it's for all the instant start fluorescent ballasts out there. It's very simple. All you have to do is take the original fluorescent tube out and put this one in. Boom. You get a beautiful light. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay? Obviously, sometimes you need to have another type, which is what we call programmable fluorescent ballast. And we also have that products ready for you. But this is the majority of what we have here. Let me put an item number on here so you can understand. These items we call, TCP call L12 TA D 5041K. Okay? Which means this is system, the lamp wattage is a 12 watt. The system wattage. Now let me explain to you what that means. I don't want to confuse everybody. This is another little knowledge you have to have. Any plug and play tube has 2 different measured wattage. One is being measured with the fluorescent ballast together. We call it system wattage. Our system wattage on this tube is 15 watt. However, if you have the lamp wattage without the fluorescent ballast, just measure the tube by itself, it is 12 watt. That's why we call L12TA. Here is, obviously, we have warranty on the tube is 50,000 hours and it's a 4100K. So you can understand the words we're using here. Today, this is the most popular ones. Most popular ones people using out there. okay, we have in stock today, 4100K, and the other colors ready to serve you and they're ready to ship you. So that's what we call type A. Then what happens if you're using the type A today and tomorrow your fluorescent ballast burn out? For that reason, we start pushing and the market started moving on to what we call type B. What a type B means is bypass the ballast. And we have a name for it. It's called liberal T8. That means we liberate the tube from the fluorescent ballast. Okay? Think that way. You have T8 tubes here. You have fluorescent ballast. This is the power. This is how you're being wired today. So what we're offering to the market for the type B is we call double-ended, which means that the tube here, B tube here, either side you give me the power, it will light up. Either side, it will light up. In other words, you can put a tube in this way or that way. Either side, it will light up. Why we do that? It's very simple. Look at original wiring here. So when the ballast burns out or you want to bypass the ballast today, all you have to do is cut off here, connect this one here, connect this one there. That's it. It's that simple. Think about this. Cut the power here and then connect the power here, cut the power here, connect to here, so you take this guy out. That's why we believe today that double-ended is the most popular one. It's the easiest one for people to install. At the meantime, go either side, it will light up. So this type of B, double-ended, is getting more and more popular. And today, we have a wattage on that is 13.5 watt. Those two items today is the most two popular lamps available in the market today. And the TCP have it in the full stock. Let me give you the name of this guy, okay? What we have this guy today is we call LT8 13 watt, remember? Because this one has no system wattage because it's a direct, it's a bypass. The power just come in. So only lamp wattage only is a 13 watt. It's a B, bypass, and double-ended, and a 41K. So those the item number we're using for both T8 tubes. One for type A, one for type B. Those two, we believe, are the most popular lamps in the market today, and the TCP in the full stock. But we don't stop here, which means right now, those lamps is a standard DLC qualified. However, if you need a more lumen package, okay, 140 lumens per watt, or even 190 lumens per watt, we have all those products available for you. But we don't stop here. Today, besides those two popular ones, TCP also have we call A plus B tube. That means the tube will light up both in the A plug and play, and just in case the ballast burned out, you can rewire and still function as a B. However, my suggestion to you guys is this, because A plus B are more expensive. So if you want to know exactly what you're doing today, if you want to prevent any future fluorescent ballast burnout, my suggestion to you is using type B to start with. However, if you want to have a convenience today, you feel pretty comfortable about your fluorescent ballast life, then just simply using the type A called the plug and play. Today, we feel extremely comfortable. We believe we can make these tubes to satisfy all the needs you have out there. Let me just give you a simple demonstration here. I have two different fixtures, simple fixtures. Okay, But the simple fixture to show you exactly how it's being done, how easy it is. You may have all different type of the fixture in your building, but I just show you how it's being done. This fixture, I have the ballast, the fluorescent ballast inside. Okay, so here is the tube. Okay, it's the LED tube. You take the older ones out. You just plug this guy in. Very simple. All you have to do is plug in. Beautiful. And then I have another one here. Okay. Doesn't matter which way you go. Either way, do this. Oops. Do this 3 times so you can forget where you are. Oh, stop. Let's plug in to see what happens here. Okay. Let's plug in again one more time. Look at how beautiful it is. Look. Make my face looks absolutely beautiful here. That's a type A. Now, type B is even simpler than this, okay? I have another fixture. This guy has nothing in it. It's empty inside. I wish I could open that damn thing. Let me try. I want to share with you guys. So you can see exactly what I'm doing here. I put those 2 screws out. Okay? Nothing in it. Magic. So this is what we call type B. It's a bypass. So-called bypass is bypass fluorescent ballast and direct take the power. Okay? So let's see what happens on this guy. Okay? This is type B tube. Let's see what happens. Okay? I put that guy in. Another beauty here. That's how easy it is. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Now you're the expert on the T8 tubes. Again, if you have any questions, just reach us. Ask me. I will give you all the answers you need. You know, guys, I'm a product guy. I'm the manufacturing guy. I love to make products. I love to make the best LED tubes, the best LED light bulbs for you. So I have such a knowledge which I always want to share with you. So please follow me when I'm doing all those videos, because I think will give you tremendous amount know-how and a tremendous amount how the LED future is about. Okay, I want to share all the knowledge I have and all of my research, manufacturing, the future, the technology, you name it. Okay, but you know what? A good product simply not enough. The next thing we have to share with you is not just a TCP manufacturing for our LED chips all the way to a finished T8 tubes. Not just give you the best quality, the best performance of products. We also have you give to you the best cost, which means the best price for you. Because I look at this market a little bit different. I ask myself a very simple question every day. In order to replace all the T8 fluorescent tubes out there, we must able to get down the cost to close the fluorescent T8 tubes, which make people affordable to replace all the LED tubes. That's why this is what we're able to accomplish. I think you will really enjoy it. So today, number 1, we have all the products in stock. We're able to serve you anytime you want. Number 2, we have suggested manufacturing pricing for the market today. So for your all the building maintenance guy, or your building engineers, or for all the designers or the contractors, okay, if you like to know what you are going to pay, let me share a little bit about the knowledge with you right now. We believe we can serve you on the type A. Remember, type A, which is a plug and play, at $498. For the type B, which is a bypass, we're able to give you at $665. I believe those are very, very attractive costs to all the contractors, building engineers to fulfill their needs out there. In the meantime, if you are the end users, if you have any projects available, or you just simply want to try TCP LED tubes, all you have to do is reach us, and we will send you a case. Let you try, because I always believe in this. You have to try, you have to touch it, you have to try it, you have to see the lights come out. That's the best way to experience the best light source. That's the only way to experience the best LED tubes. So I encourage all of you guys out there with any opportunities, please let us know. We will send you the LED tubes at no cost to you. Okay? All we want to do is I want you to share and experience the TCP T8 tubes. This is an amazing program you can see here. You can see here. And this amazing program pretty much will help you to do all your needs in your buildings, any projects you have. So please call us. Please call us, okay? Call. You see, call. You see, call me. Call us, because that's the only way we can communicate. You call us, we call you, and you have a project to be identified. Call. After that, you're going to have one of those lovely things, and you can light them up. Also, for all my dear friends at the electrical distributors, and we love you. Because of you, we're able to expand the TCP business. So we also put together, by the way, first of all, if you're excited about me or we are talking about these LED tubes, the first thing you need to do, believe it or not, call to find out what is your program, what's your pricing, how you're going to make money on it. Okay? We have all those information, stand by ready for you. You call us, we send you the information at the same time. I guarantee you will love the pricing. That being said, I still say to myself, it's not enough. I need to give you something. So today, TCP also have a program for all the electrical distributors. What it does is very simple. Look at what I have here. Look, I have 4 cases here. 4 cases. Each case has 25 tubes inside. You as the electrical distributors, as my dear friends, you can pick and choose 4 cases. You can take all 4 cases is a type A, all 4 cases type B, or half and half, whatever you want to mix them together. But you get all 4 cases, believe it or not, free. Because I want each counter space, each location have a setup with the TCPA tubes at your location, so you can share that with your customers. All you have to do is get that piece of paper and fill it up, place the order, has no charge, and those 4 cases will be happily on the way to you. So, all that being said, I hope you really enjoy what I'm talking about today. I feel the more we communicating, the more we learn from each other, the better products and the better service we can provide to you. So I want to hear from you guys. At the meantime, this program I put together is called the Lunch and Learn. All I want is 20 minutes of your time just watching this video during your lunch time, and your lunch is on me. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.